Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, confirm the indication and explain urgency to the team because seconds matter. Place pads in anterior lateral or anterior posterior positions and connect monitoring leads. Make sure the defibrillator is in synchronized mode. Once done, verify sedation plan and titrate analgesia or anesthesia. Set your initial joules based on rhythm and patient size, clear the patient, announce a clear charge and shock command, and deliver the first synchronized shock while watching the ECG for capture. Once the first shock is given, you assess rhythm and circulation promptly to understand why it did or did not convert. If there is no sustained sinus rhythm, increase energy according to your algorithm and reposition pads to improve vector. Make sure sync remains on to avoid RONT. Meanwhile, consider an Roman 4 bolus of amiodarone or procainamide per guidelines and continue hemodynamic support. Communicate with your team about timing, sedation needs, and readiness for immediate repeat shocks or alternative interventions. You must ensure the patient is stable after conversion. Secure airway, optimize blood pressure, and arrange continuous monitoring and admission. If synchronized shocks repeatedly fail, troubleshoot methodically. Verify the defibrillator's sync marker is detecting the QRS, ensure pads have good contact and correct placement, and eliminate motion or electrical noise. If problems persist, escalate care. Call cardiology for urgent electrophysiology input, prepare transvenous pacing, and discuss definitive therapies like.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.